Could an ancient city buried under the sands of time hold the key to understanding one of history's most fascinating civilizations? Welcome to the world of Mohenjo-Daro, a testament to the marvels of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Nestled in the heart of modern-day Pakistan, this archaeological gem was first unearthed in the 1920s by Sir John Marshall. What lay beneath the surface was an astonishingly well-preserved urban center that thrived between 2600 to 1900 BCE, covering an area of approximately 250 acres with distinct residential, commercial, and public sectors. Mohenjo-Daro is a testament to the genius of ancient urban planning. Imagine a city laid out in a precise grid pattern, its streets neatly organized and blocks well-defined. The buildings, constructed from baked bricks, speak volumes about the residents' advanced understanding of construction materials. And the Great Bath, a public water tank, suggests a society that valued public hygiene and had a keen grasp of water management. The city's architecture paints a picture of a sophisticated society. Multi-storied buildings, intricate drainage systems, and granaries point towards a thriving, advanced civilization. The enigmatic dancing girl bronze statue and the Pashupati seal continue to intrigue scholars, their purpose a subject of ongoing debate. Mohenjo-Daro was more than just a city of bricks and buildings. It was a bustling hub of commerce. Its trade networks extended as far as Mesopotamia, and artifacts like beads, pottery, and seals speak of a complex society engaged in vibrant trade. Interestingly, the lack of monumental structures like palaces or temples leaves us wondering about the nature of governance and religious practices in this ancient city. Yet around 1900 BCE, this bustling city began to decline. Was it environmental changes or external factors that led to its downfall? The city was gradually abandoned, its silence echoing the rise and fall of an ancient civilization. The reasons for its decline remain speculative, adding to the enduring allure of Mohenjo-Daro. Today, Mohenjo-Daro stands as a monument to the roots of South Asian civilization. Its advanced urban planning, sophisticated drainage systems, and evidence of a complex social structure challenge our preconceptions about ancient societies. Mohenjo-Daro underscores the achievements of the Indus Valley civilization, shedding light on the foundations of modern South Asian culture. So, as we delve into the mysteries of Mohenjo-Daro, we're invited to unravel the secrets of an ancient civilization. Even as the sands of time continue to shift, Mohenjo-Daro stands as a beacon of human ingenuity, a symbol of a civilization that once flourished before eventually fading into the annals of history.